Hey listeners, if you have a story about innovation and sustainability in entertainment, please get in touch with us.
What kind of behind-the-scenes positions, tech, or stories are you interested in learning more about? Let us know at the tieinpodcast@gmail.com. That's tieinpodcast@gmail.com.
And now, here's the short film, A Dance with Light.
Is it ready? We have to go.
Yeah.
Hello? Where are you calling me? What company? No, I'm not. Again? Why are they contacting me again? Why do they keep reaching out? I keep telling them no.
I don't want to wait, so just make sure to be there.
No.
Okay, well, I guess just don't be late.
I gotta go. I'll see you. Bye.
Can you give me 2 minutes, please? Okay, bye-bye. I'll see you.
I always thought we would be together, to be honest, forever. I always thought they were more than just dreams. I was really hoping that maybe one day...
One day?
Yeah, one day you and I, you know... If you left, what would we have left between us?
We will always have.
Yes.
Hey, what are you seeing out there behind the scenes in entertainment? We want to know. What's inspiring you? What's frustrating you? Get in touch with us at tieinpodcast@gmail.com. That's TIEIN podcast@gmail.com. Our designer is Aaliyah Kane. Music is by Peter Chapman. Our producer is Colin Miller.